You guys ready for Frost Blue number 2? Check out all of these parts. Spirit Goodrich brake lines, brake brace, endless brake pads, MPP rotors, brake fluid, Highland Coilover conversion kit, bushings, bearings, front upper control arms, rear toe arms, camber arms, traction rods, trailing arms, rear rotors, rear brake pads, and there's more parts. Apex VS5 RS 18.9.5, monolith lug nuts, AFE anti-sway bars, front and rear. Let's go. Hey guys, ready to see the goods? Check it out. MPP 2-piece rotors, endless EX90 brake pads, Aspira Goodrich brake lines, and the carbon finish. We got MPP front upper control arm, the MPP coilover conversion kit, so it keeps the factory active dampers. We've got the MPP front lower control arm bearing. You've got AFE front sway bar. You got a ZEV compliance poly bushing in the back, if you can see it. All right, and we'll go to the rear now. Again, 2-piece rotor, endless CX90 brake pads, Aspira Goodrich brake lines back here. We got all of the rear arms. We've got the camber arm, the traction arm, the toe arm, the trailing arm, AFE rear sway bar, and of course, back there, the beautiful blue spring. That's the rear MPP coilover conversion kit. Retains a factory active damper. And now, for the wheels. All right, guys, Frost Blue numero 2, it's finished. 18-inch brushed finish VS5 RSs, 265/40/18 PS4Ss. You can see the drop, the stance right there. It's like a little bit more than one finger. We made this thing nice and low. This dude's gonna go out to Vegas for a show and an event. So he's basically got 300 miles on it. He's gonna hit the road, get out to Vegas, show the car off, head back. We can't wait to hear his feedback on it, how much he likes it. But the whole catalog is on here from Mountain Pass and then some. Check out the video, you'll see it. We got all the cool parts in here. But if you guys do want any of these parts, check it out at zevcentric.com. If you guys want to donate to us or you appreciate any of the advice we've given you, check it out at patreon.com/zevcentric. $5 a month is what we ask, or anything you can contribute would be greatly appreciated. Okay, guys? Thanks for watching. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you guys on the next one.